Hello children. Hope all are fine and healthy. Myself Kokila Bhatia, teaching maths for standard 7th in Seth Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College, welcome you all. Let's continue with chapter 3 HCF and LCM. In my last session, children, I had explained you what are prime numbers, co-prime numbers and twin prime numbers. Today we are going to solve practice set 10. The first question. Which number is neither a prime number nor a composite number? Correct. 1 is the number that is neither a prime number nor a composite number. The second question. Which of the following are pairs of co-primes? Now, before we go with this question, children, let us recall what are co-prime numbers. Yes, two numbers which have only 1 as a common factor or divisor are said to be co-prime numbers. That means co-primes are numbers which do not have any common divisor other than 1. Now let's see whether 8 and 14 are co-prime numbers or they are not the pair of co-prime numbers. Now the factors or divisors of 8 is 1, 2, 4, 8 and the divisor or factors of 14 is 1, 2, 7, 14. Now here which are the common divisor or factors? Yes, 1 and 2. So is it a pair of co-prime numbers? No, it is not a pair of co-prime numbers because they have two common divisor or factors. Let's see if 4, 5 is a pair of co-prime numbers or it is not a pair of co-prime numbers. Now the factors or divisors of 4 is 1, 2, 4 and the factors or divisors of 5 is 1, 5 and 4 and 5 have only 1 as a common divisor or factor. So this is a pair of co-prime numbers. 17, 19. Now let's see whether this is a pair of co-prime or is it not a pair of co-prime. So the factors or divisors of 17 is 1, 17 and the factors or divisors of 19 is 1, 19. So 17 and 19 have only 1 as a common divisor. So this is a pair of co-primes. 27, 18. The factors or divisors of 27 is 1, 3, 9, 27. And the factors or divisors of 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So 27 and 18 have two common divisors, that is 1 and 3. So this is not a pair of co-primes. Third question. List the prime numbers from 25 to 100 and say how many they are. Here children, first you are going to write all the numbers from 25 to 100 and then you are going to circle only the prime numbers that are from 25 to 100. And you know what are prime numbers, right? What are prime numbers? Yes, prime numbers are numbers that are only divisible by 1. So now you circle all the prime numbers from 25 to 100. So which are the prime numbers from 25 to 100 children? 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. So how many prime numbers are there from 25 to 100? There are 16 prime numbers from 25 to 100. Fourth question. Write all twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. Now before we find the pairs of twin prime numbers from 51 to 100, can anybody tell me what do you mean by twin prime numbers? Yes, if the difference between two co-prime numbers is 2, the numbers are said to be twin prime numbers. Now, can anybody tell me the twin prime numbers from 51 to 100? One pair is 59 and 61 because the difference between 59 and 61 is 61 minus 59 is 2. And the second pair of twin prime numbers from 51 to 100 is 71 and 73. That is 73 minus 71 is 2. So, the difference between the two co-prime numbers is 2. So, the two pairs of twin prime numbers from 51 to 100 is 59 and 61 and 71 and 73. The fifth question. Write 5 pairs of co-prime numbers from 1 to 50. Children, in your textbook, in practice set 10 on page number 15, the fifth question they have written as write 5 pairs of twin prime numbers. It's not twin, it is co-prime numbers from 1 to 15. So, just correct that question in your textbook. Now, tell me which are the 5 pairs of co-prime numbers from 1 to 50. 2, 3, second pair is 5, 7, 11, 12, 29, 30, 35, 36, 25, 29, 31, 37. The last question of practice set 10. Which are the even prime numbers? The answer is 2 is the only even prime number. With this, I complete with practice set 10. Now, I'll continue with this chapter in my next session. Thank you and God bless.